we have the Safaricom transformer or booster. And many other developments in the area. Okay, that's just by the way. As you another aspect of production you need in your car.